Hi, I'm Anna, and today is about how duplicates in your data can cost you big time, from sending the same message multiple times, which is super annoying for customers, and getting lost in disorganized data, to messing up your profit and loss numbers. Let's explore 4 methods to eliminate them from easy to advanced. You pick which suits best. And if you missed the video on finding duplicates and vital difference between various ways, you can check the link attached in the description. Here we have a made-up list of customers with their names, emails, and registration date. As you see, I have already highlighted the customer that was recorded more than once in our system. We have the same name, email, but different registration date. So let's clean up this database just to have only unique customers and their names and actually emails. Let's copy this table just to keep the original one. The most popular way to remove duplicates is by using the built-in remove duplicate feature. At first, select the cell or choose the entire range of cells that you want to check for duplicates. Go to the Data tab and click Remove Duplicates. If your data includes headers, make sure to check My Data has headers. And then select the columns you want to include in the duplicate check. In our case, we are looking for duplicates in names and emails, so we uncheck registration date and click OK. So Excel has removed all duplicate rows, keeping only the first occurrence of each value. Okay, now let's delete it, we don't need it anymore. The second way to remove duplicates is by using the unique function. This method is useful if you want to create a new list of unique values without changing the original data. Let's choose a new cell where we want to place the unique values. That'll be here. Let's enter the formula unique. And then highlight the data that we need. In our case, we choose tables, name, and email. And press enter. And now we have a list of unique values from the specified range. And if you want to save the result not as formula but as actual values, you can highlight it, Ctrl Copy, and paste as values. But keep in mind that the unique function is not available in Excel 2019 and early versions. The third way is using advanced filter that helps keep unique records only. So let's select the entire range of cells and go to the Data tab, and in Sort and Filter group, click Advanced. Here in the Actions section, you can choose Filter the list in place. It is if you want to save the results in the original dataset, but in our example, we will choose Copy to another location in order to retain the original data. And let's choose Copy to this cell. And don't forget to check unique records only. Okay. And this method has filtered out duplicates, leaving only the unique rows. Okay. Let's delete it as well. The fourth way, and my favorite one to remove duplicates, is by using Power Query. Power Query is a powerful tool for data manipulation and can be used to remove duplicates in a case-sensitive manner. Plus, if your dataset is always updated, Power Query will help to maintain everything accurate without doing the same job all the time. Okay, let's select the cell or the range of cells and go to Data tab and click from Table Range. Here we choose one or more columns based on which duplicates will be removed. In our case it is name and email. Then in Home tab, click Remove Rows and select Remove Duplicates. As you see, it has left only unique values based on these columns. But if you need to remove duplicate lines across your dataset, select this little table in the left corner and then select Remove Duplicates. Okay, then select Close and Load. And let's load to a table and we'll put it on a new worksheet. And so we have here a table of unique customers in our dataset. When your dataset will be updated with new customers, you can just select this table and click Refresh. And in this case, after refreshing, you will see unique customers added to this list. Share your favorite ways to remove duplicates, like this video, and subscribe to stay tuned for more data tips.